Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today we're making a flat ground. Credits to that guy that like I followed the tutorial from. Alright, this is Bedrock Addition. All you have to do is dig a 12 by 12 by 5 hole. I only need 4 more layers after this. So basically we're just gonna dig that. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut the video until I'm done. Okay, after that was done, get your glass blocks and then put it right here in the corner, and then put two of any blocks here. Now put nah, not that. Now put that another glass there, and then another glass here because this is gonna be the activator. So get your surface blocks. I forgot about that, so I'm just gonna get it. I forgot about that, so I'm just gonna get it. Okay. Now also place two of here, two here. Okay. After that, when you put a press, after that, if you put a pressure plate here, it will activate. So okay. Now, no time for explanations. I'm just gonna explain it later. Where's the wood? Okay, after you get your blocks, you just have to put three blocks here and also three blocks here. Now put redstone dust, redstone repeater. Make it three ticks. Three ticks, alright? Let me check that. Done. Now put oak planks. Now put a redstone here, redstone here, redstone torch here. And then you're supposed to put that there. And then once it's done, two blocks here, two blocks here. Put redstone. That was a mistake. After you put redstone, put oak planks here. Now put that there. Now three blocks as well. Again, place redstone repeater, two tick, another redstone dust, and do the same here. After you get this, get your piston, sticky piston. Actually, right here. Sorry, guys. After that, okay, one there. After that, again. After that, after you put your these things, the pistons, go 2 blocks here. Now, redstone repeater, set it to 4 ticks. This here, and then set this to 4 ticks, and then put redstone torches, and then put your sticky pistons. So yeah, after you put your sticky pistons, wait, I forgot about this slime. Okay, after you get your things, I literally back shopping and still sorry. Sorry for my weirdness. After you get your honey blocks and slime blocks, you have to like do this one, two. Okay, after that, like this. After you make this shape, dig it out. My calculation is wrong, but put crafting tables here. Oh man. Okay, I fixed the mistake. It was an accident. Driving in my car right after a beer. Hey, that bomb is shaped like a deer. DUI, how about you die? I'll go 100 miles an hour. Little did you know, I'm filled up on gas. Again, and basically dig your things here. After that, you have like you have to like dig how far you want. Just depends on you. And then it could be a fall trap or you put like some dripstone. So yeah, you're supposed to place that. Okay, so this is mine. So if it separates, that means it's good to go. Okay, I'm just gonna place mine. If it separates, it's good. Oh Now it's too late. I guess two. Yo, it's two ticks. It's two ticks, alright? What? Okay, that should happen. What? What? What the she? What in the hell? Okay, that should happen. This work. Don't tell me it's on the first stick. Alright, it's in the first stick. Sorry for my mistake. Now just now you have to like do something with obsidian. It's basically like this. Obsidian. Now you have to like make sure it like doesn't stick. So yeah. By the way, by the way, I'm using this block that is obsidian because it doesn't move to sticky blocks. I think that's why. After this, after this, if it works, it's good. Yeah, it works. Now, after that, you're supposed to get your like this. Place this. Oh yeah, we could break the machine. Now, get out your piece. After you do this, after you do that, you're supposed to like get your pistons, pistons, pistons. Right now, you're supposed to place them like here. Place two. Put one observer pointing to this one, and place two here. Now it should work. Okay, now cover this up, and you should be good. Now cover this up, and then you should be good. Now it's supposed to work like this. Thank you guys for watching my tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe. Goodbye, and also turn on the ring thingy if you subscribe so you can get notifications when I'm making another tutorial. Goodbye.